Hi, I'm Mo. Today we are going to be testing out this mini stovetop smoker by Cameron's. As of filming today, it is $51 on Amazon, and we are going to start unboxing it. So here, have a lot of stuff going on. It's small, so it's perfect just to carry around if you need to. I'm gonna take the cover off. This is the cover. And here we have the wood chips. This is the rack. And right here we have the drip tray. And right here's the smoker base. Right here, of course, is the handle. It's the Stay Cool handle. It won't burn you. We're using propane, so we're doing it outside right now, but usually you would do it on a stovetop. Today we will be smoking some fish, scallops, and cheese, and some shrimp. First, I dried what I have here with paper towels, or you can use kitchen paper, as much as you possibly can. Whatever seasoning you like, you sprinkle it on before you put it on the stovetop. So I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic salt on mine. There we go. All right, and then, okay. After I season this and I put everything on the stove, I'm going to use these wood chips to put under. All right, and stop now. And we're gonna slide the cover on, just like this, and we're ready. It's been about 25 to 30 minutes, so I'm ready to see if my food's ready. It's looking good so far. All right. All right, now we're gonna give it a try. Let's take the salmon out. Eventually. There we go. Some shrimp. Okay. Here goes it. That's delicious. It looks a little burned, but inside,
because of smoke,
it's great. Yeah.
Try the scallop.
That's really good. This thing works, guys. It works.
You recommend it?
I recommend it, yes. It's very simple too. It is worth it. Thanks for watching.